Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to earn conservation credits in Planet Zoo. Conservation credits are the special currency in Planet Zoo's franchise mode. You can use them to purchase rare and high-quality animals with desirable genes from the online animal market. So earning them is important if you want to expand your zoo with a wider variety of animals. There are several ways to earn conservation credits, and the first and easiest method is simply logging into franchise mode every day. You'll receive 100 conservation credits per day, just for logging in. The second method is greeting player avatars that visit your zoo. You can earn 20 conservation credits per player you greet, so keep an eye out for any VIP guests or player avatars visiting your zoo. There is a limit to how many credits you can earn from this method, and the game will notify you once you've reached that limit. The third method is releasing animals you've bred and raised in your zoo. This only works for animals that were born in your zoo. Animals purchased directly from the animal market using cash won't qualify. So if you want to use this method consistently, consider getting animals of opposite genders and allowing them to breed. You can then raise their offspring and eventually release them into the wild in exchange for conservation credits. The fourth method is selling animals you've bred for conservation credits. To do this, first send your animal to the trade center by selecting it and choosing the appropriate option from its information panel. Once the animal is in your trade center, you'll have the option to put it up for trade on the online market in exchange for conservation credits. When you select the conservation credit trade option, the game will display a recommended price based on the animal. You can still adjust this price yourself, but try to keep it reasonable and make sure it matches the animal's quality and genetics. You'll have to wait for another player to purchase your animal, but if you set a fair price, there's a good chance someone will eventually buy it. And finally, the fifth method is participating in community challenges. From time to time, Planet Zoo hosts community challenges where franchise players work together to reach a shared goal. Completing the required objectives can reward you with conservation credits, and you'll also be able to track your own progress through the personal contribution section of the challenge. So whether you're breeding animals, trading them, greeting fellow players, or simply logging in every day, there are plenty of ways to build up your conservation credits. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.